Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Yeah, I'm back down in the shop. Yeah, we're going to be doing a review of some new sawhorses today, folks. I've been in need of some new portable sawhorses, and I've had these, I bet you, for 15, 20 years. They've served their purpose. A little weak, and they've bent over the years, but I've been looking at this type right here, and finally, Harbor Freight Bauer brand came out with an affordable one. This thing is really good. You want to talk about capacity, 1,300 pounds. 1,300 pounds of this thing, and look at you got 2x4 slots. And there's a lot of things going on with this sawhorse from Bauer for 50 bucks. So let's go through some of the features of it and give you a look-see at the price, and I'll tell you, I'll show you how portable it is. All right, there it is on the website, 50 bucks, 1,300 pounds capacity steel sawhorse. This thing is a beast. Let's take a look at some of the specifics. Yeah, they're saying 2,600 per pair. You got 2x4. Put 2x4s in there, 9 height adjustments. Its weight is 2420 shipping, so it's probably right around 20 pounds, 24 pounds, maybe just a little bit less. This thing is 4.8, yeah, I would give it a 5 so far, but let's take a little closer look, shall we? All right, so right out of the box, the first thing that came to my mind was, wow, this thing is heavy duty. I am thrilled that I bought these. So it's got the 2x4 pockets there. You've got a handle here that you can even carry it around when it's fully assembled. Like I said, only 24 pounds, that's much. You got non-skid surface here. You even got, you're looking at these pegs down here, so you can lean material against it. Like you can put, if you're storing like plywood or something like that, you can put plywood on there. I tell you what, they thought of everything on this. And we'll take a look at the adjustments, and we'll unfold one and show you how it unfolds. All right, adjusting the legs is easy. It's just right here, and you just press down on that, and you can see the peg comes up, and then and it locks in place like that, and then you just go right back to where you were. Super simple. And then you've got a foot down there, which is will adjust to any sort of terrain that you're on. I'll tell you what, they thought of everything on this sawhorse. All right, to fold it up, it's just putting the legs up. Sorry if my head's in the way, like that. I'll do the other ones. All right, to sort of get the legs, you just fold them like this, and then it fits in. You gotta just get these tabs, and they come in, and then your feet, you just need to tuck your feet in, just like that, and then we'll do the other one. Now, when you fold them in, you got this little knob right here that locks into place. That's what the arrow's pointing to you. So when you go to pull them out, and you're going, "What the heck is going on here? I can't get them out." Well, you gotta press that to get the legs out. And that's it. You're ready. You're ready to go to the next project. I'll tell you what. That's a nice sawhorse. Tell you what, my final thoughts is I'm impressed. For 50 bucks, this is one hell of a sawhorse, folks. Probably the last sawhorses I'll ever buy. And it could be for you too. In fact, if anything, you're gonna get 2 of these and you're gonna say, I want 2 more. So just awesome. Well designed, well thought out. Easy to put together. I mean, as far as out of the box, there is no assembly, but easy to get the legs out, easy to put them back in. It's just, once you do it once or twice, you just say, oh yeah, what a piece of cake. You know, compared to those, there is no comparison, folks. These are the best sawhorses I've ever seen. So I hope this was helpful. Check out Bauer, Harbor Freight. Leave your comments if you own these, or if you own another type and want to compare it against the Bauer. Thumbs up, leave a comment. As always, folks, I can't say it enough. Thanks for watching.